Let's have a quick look at the painting trays while we're here. I've just thrown out the ones that had gone hard or had cracked lids, etc. That's our little mixing tray. I'll get a fresh one. Please don't cut the end off it. Hopefully it'll have a little stand up, and what that's for is a brush sits on it and doesn't roll off and go on the floor. This was cut off by someone ages ago and I just haven't got around to getting another one. But ideally, brushes, if you're happy washing them out, you're allowed to use that one according to Izzy, and if you're not going to wash them out, use one of these old nasty ones and just wipe it off with the rag or whatever and don't need to wash it out. But if you're going to use a nice one, just wash it out afterwards, and as soon as you've rinsed it out, then just chuck it back in here. It's fine putting them in here wet. These ones in the front row here, these are primary colours, red, blue and yellow and white for making things lighter. Those ones just live in the front, so we've always got them there, and then from there it basically just follows the numbers. So we've got 114, 116, etc. all the way through to 169. And the next row through here is ones we've mixed up for specific jobs for people. Like the Fisher family, they bring a bag in every couple of years that needs touching up, and there's the paint, there's the colour for it. You're welcome to move some of these if they're more common to the front, it's no trouble. The reason we tend to try and have them in numbered order, let's just not tip this on the floor, but you see here, these are the metallics at the back, so the M's are the metallics. We keep them separate because on numerous occasions someone's grabbed like this white one here, which is actually pearl, and mixed it into something and hasn't realised until it's all dried. So metallics are at the back, and you see how we end up with a 403 and a 403. It just happens, but if we at least look in here before we open one, and if they are in a bit of order, it's easier to spot them. I've just gone low number here, across up here, and those are the brushes. You're welcome to open more paints as well, it's no trouble. I just threw a few out, and this can just live in there. See you next time.